You guys want to learn hydroponic stuff with me? Growing in very small spaces? Well, welcome to this new slow life. I'm a newly retired city girl and I'm learning about my pantry, building a pantry. I'm learning about gardening, building my garden. I'm designing more inside my house and just living slow. So I got this hydroponic garden. It is $1,000. It is by Tower Garden by Juice Plus. I saw one at Costco that was 600. I didn't like it as well. It's short. And this is nice and tall, narrow, visually much more pleasing. But the main thing is I didn't have to pay for it because I had to order it. And in year one, I just didn't think I could take the plunge because I was busy trying to sell my company, and that took all of my energy. And then year two, I just thought, I just don't know if I'm ready for it. And she had it all full, lush, gorgeous. The community was harvesting off of it. That's how cool it was. So year three, I show up in the desert and she said, "What are you thinking about the Tower Garden?" And I said, "I think I'm ready." And she says, "Great, you can have mine." So free. So you have been hearing it water. The pump comes up, drips down, and this goes on up, down for 3 minutes. And there's a big reservoir down here, and I'm going to test the pH and all of the nutrients in a minute. So I didn't want to plant. I tried planting the little seedlings, didn't work for me. So I went on Etsy and I found a company that will send me all these seedlings. So in here I have all this, which is crazy. I'm being a doubter, but I have a shishito pepper, a yellow bell pepper, a daikon radish, a green tomatillo, and a tomato. And then I planted 2 of my own tomatoes. So we'll see how that goes. I planted a baby butter mix, butter lettuce, freckled iceberg red leaf romaine. Then the cool thing is edible flowers. How fun! Borage, cosmos, dianthus, French marigold, sunflower, and sweet alyssum. What do I have to lose? Here I did cabbage, leaf cabbage, Napa cabbage, Chinese cucumber, and eggplant. I did not plant the beet or the kohlrabi because Pacific Northwest kohlrabi is foreign to me. And I didn't plant the okra because, again, that's not my jam. So all I had to do was, ooh, it's got nice and damp. They ship like this, and that is not soil. It's like a spongy something, and I just plug it in its basket, done. So this will be a garden, so you have to stick around, and I will definitely keep you in the loop and show you my success and my failures, because this is going to be a wild ride. So thank you for joining me at This New Slow Life. Ciao for now.